Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix NVIDIA drivers crashing in Windows. Super easy, and in this video I will show you a couple of solutions how you can fix that. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up your GeForce Experience. If you don't have GeForce Experience, please download it. And then if you're basically NVIDIA drivers crashing, first of all, what you need to do here is to go to drivers and make sure to press check for updates. And as you can see here, if there is some updates, update your basically NVIDIA GPU to the latest drivers, right? And if the problem persists and your driver is still crashing, what you need to do here next is to go to Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, and here it will be NVIDIA your GPU basically, and then press Uninstall Device. And after you do that, go back on GeForce Experience, and then again go to check for updates, and it should locate that some files missing on your GPU, and it should reinstall it, right? And if this is not working out, then the last thing that you can do here, you can go to your desktop, and then you need to right click on it, go to Control Panel, and here you need to go to Manage 3D Settings, and then scroll down until you see Power Management Mode, and just do to prefer maximum performance. And on as you can see here, another option should be vertical sync or VSync, and what you need to do here is turn that off, right? And then press apply for changes. And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to basically fix NVIDIA drivers crashing in Windows, right? So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.